I always know he's in here when I see his shoes. It is September 2nd, and as you can see, this is a crazy mess in here. I'm gonna see if I can get some video of him prepping this bathroom back here, because that's what he's been working on. I put a couple of more coats of epoxy on the countertops here to make them smooth. Still a little bit more to go. But he right now is playing in the mud.
Howdy.
Howdy. So tell me a little bit about what's going on while you work. I know it's hard to do two things at once.
It is. Try to focus.
Yes.
So we're putting up plastic utility panels, and this is the way they say to do it now. Let's see what I'm doing.
So what is the product there that you're using?
It's quick. No, it's fast grab FRP adhesive. And it's water based, so it's kind of like really thick paint. And put it on even. Trowel it down. Make sure it's all over everything, and then
Lay your plastic.
lay your plastic that's already been pre-cut, and you hope gravity doesn't take over.
Yeah, yesterday was Labor Day, and we didn't labor much.
No, we didn't.
But you got some shopping done at Lowe's to get some stuff.
Yeah.
And I got the countertops, another coat of epoxy. Still needs a little bit more. Probably do that after you finish up tonight.
All right, now let me do a little bit more right here, and then we can see how this sticks.
Cool. Did you see that I took one of the small pieces and did a heat gun test on it?
No.
Yeah, a little sliver that you had like that I took, and it works real well.
Okay.
It heats up and bends really.
Okay, so it looks like where this panel goes,
Mm-hmm.
I screwed up and didn't cut it back in, cut it down,
Mm-hmm.
and the whole thing shifted a little bit. So I'm going to have to figure out something to fix that.
Okay.
But that's good that the
It'll be tight. That's what we want. Watertight, watertight, watertight. It's a shame we don't have one running water in here, so you could just wash your hands right there. Can you imagine the mess?
Get messy right here.
All right, that's nice.
Okay.
Yep. I like the smell of this stuff. It reminds me of something.
Paint.
No. Something else. Almost food-like.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of makes me hungry. It's probably not good, huh? You know how much messier this would be if I was doing it?
Yeah. You think?
Don't, you know it would be. I'd have it all over me. And you, and the walls, and the floor, and the dog.
Everywhere except where it really needed to go.
Those little seam guides are pretty cool, huh?
I guess so. I think I'm doing this right. I have no idea. They didn't really have any instructions or anything. No, come on. That's where it needs to be.
Good job.
Maybe.
But as we always say,
Always an adventure.
always. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.